Hello, I am Anna from Edu4U. Are you dreaming of pursuing higher education in the United Kingdom, but don't have a high school diploma? Don't worry, because we've got some fantastic news for you. Introducing a unique opportunity to study without a high school diploma. This program is available in major cities across the UK, including London, Manchester, Birmingham, and Leeds. And if you're not located in one of these cities, don't fret. You can still take advantage of this opportunity with the option to study online, making it accessible to students everywhere. So, what are the entry requirements for this program? Unlike traditional courses, you won't need a high school diploma. Instead, you can apply based on your work experience. Whether you've been working in your field for years or have gained valuable skills through practical experience, this program recognizes and values your expertise. Additionally, if English is not your first language, there are multiple options to demonstrate your proficiency. You can apply based on your CV, take a Duolingo test, or participate in a quick English interview. This flexibility ensures that language proficiency does not become a barrier to your education. Now, let's talk about the study options. You have the choice of studying 1 to 2 days per week on campus or online. Both options offer unique benefits, allowing you to tailor your learning experience to suit your needs. On-campus learning provides a dynamic environment where you can engage with professors and fellow students, participate in group activities, and make valuable connections. On the other hand, online learning offers flexibility and convenience, allowing you to study from anywhere at your own pace. Finance in college is very beneficial for students. In many cases, students do not even repay the loan because they do not exceed the earning threshold. The biggest incentive is a loan that covers living expenses of around £14,000 a year, and it goes into a student account. You can use this money for private expenses. How does it work? If you're interested, you need to contact us on WhatsApp. Our consultants will help you choose a university and course. We will do your application online, and finally, you can start the university. Remember that our help is free. So what are you waiting for? Don't let the lack of a high school diploma hold you back from pursuing your dreams. Apply today based on your work experience and embark on an exciting educational journey. Remember that our help is free.